Bodywork for Babies will teach you how to effectively use gentle, hands-on techniques to release physical tension in babies, toddlers, and children. The stresses of fetal life, birth, and other injuries throughout life don't just disappear, but can have lasting effects on normal physiology, physical comfort, and in the newborn, their ability to breastfeed. Fortunately, we can easily release restrictions and help babies and children to thrive, addressing everything from digestive problems to physical asymmetries, earaches and other infections, and overall brain health and development. This 2-day course includes hands-on practice with babies and children from the community so that you can immediately begin using the techniques taught in this course on your family and patients. We hope you can join us at the next Bodywork for Babies course and learn to make a difference in the lives of children to set them up for a lifetime of health and well-being.